Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to enable zoom on iPhone or iPad using Apple devices on Windows PC. If you have Apple devices installed and you have your device connected via cable, you can go to General Settings in the Apple Devices app, then scroll down and click on Configure Accessibility. Then click on Zoom and click on OK. Now your iPhone or iPad will have zoom enabled, so when you double tap with 3 fingers you will enable zoom to magnify the screen. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.